My favorite customer. What's going on, Pop?
David, I don't have time to be nice to you today. All these people. Where all these people come from? Where all these people around? They need to go home. I'm busy. I don't want to deal with them.
Well, what people, Pop?
There's people everywhere, David. You act like you don't see them. There's people.
I see you. And earlier I saw somebody, I think that's your family, Tiffany.
Tiffany was in here?
Yeah.
Did you check her ID?
Yeah.
And you gave her a drink?
How old is she, Pop?
Oh, yeah, she's 22.
Wow, okay. Months?
Sure. David.
Pop.
I need some tequila. You got some tequila back there?
I have tequila.
What are we having?
I have Patron, Don Julio, Hornitos, or...
Oh, I have Hornitos.
You have horny toes?
It sounded better in my head.
Maybe next time leave that one in your head, because it didn't make any sense.
Yes, there's a lot of things that should have been left in my head.
I have a tequila drink for you. Now, last time you had a Tennessee hooker. Do you remember with the pickle and the Jack Daniels?
Mm-hmm.
Not the Wisconsin hooker.
She didn't show up with none of her friends, Dave.
Yeah.
I was so disappointed. I almost drove back to Wisconsin to see if there was some friends there.
Alamo Splash.
I never been to the Alamo.
Yeah, it's in Baltimore.
Did you say Alamo Smash?
No, Splash.
That's what I said. Smash.
Splash.
Smash.
So close.
Yes, I feel like that often.
The Alamo Splash has orange juice, pineapple juice, and tequila. Do you like all that?
I like tequila. Because you put orange juice in this, does that make it healthy?
No. I mean, yes. It does make it healthy.
I thought so.
Yeah.
I thought that would make it healthy.
That's what I meant to say. So we're going to do a shot of orange juice.
I like doing shots.
We're going to do half a shot of pineapple juice. I'm going to eyeball this one because I don't really know what half a shot looks like. That's about right. And then what kind of tequila did you want? You said horny toes, but not the horny toes.
I would like Patron.
Patron.
Now, David, when you give me this Patron, you know it has to be cold.
A shot and a half of tequila. I almost shook it. Somebody lost my top.
She lost her top.
No, not that kind of top. It's not that exciting.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you was talking about something else.
If you like tequila, you're probably going to like this. I don't like tequila.
That's because you don't know no better, young buck. You don't know no better.
That's true.
It smells like breakfast. David, that is terrible.
There's a lot of tequila in there.
That's awful.
There's a lot of tequila.
There's a lot of, it tastes like there's
It didn't smell great.
tastes like there's rinds in there. Like there's orange rinds. And is your orange juice okay or did it go bad? They put the whole orange rind. David, that's awful. I don't want to drink that again.
I don't want to drink.
I don't like that.
Let's see.
I trusted you.
Oh, why would you ask for that?
I'm not paying for that.
You don't pay for any of the drinks here.
Well, that's good.
I should probably pay you for that drink.
You should. I'll take a Tennessee hooker.
Okay.